Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how much does it cost to hire a Wix designer. Now I've been browsing through the internet and I found some answers for you. Now the first answer is the average cost for Wix designer is $50 per hour. However, Wix designers can range in price from $25 to $100 per hour depending on their experience and the complexity of the project. Now that's not all. What you can do is you can actually go to Upwork and you can, as you can see, I browse Wix website and here you can basically set a range, right? Let's say your range is up to $500. We can click apply and we can get a professional web designer, as you can see, to basically design our Wix website. As you can see, a Wix website or redesign a Wix website for $150. This is top rated. As you can see, you can get for $150, you can hire a Wix designer via Upwork, which is crazy, right? Because it's really cheap, right? So as you can see, you can go here and as you can see, you have standard, advanced, and starter. Starter is delivery time, you can see here. And this is really awesome and amazing website. It looks really good. It has also testimonials from other websites, social proof from other websites as well. And as you can see, this is pretty much what you get with it, right? You have 3 different tiers and here you can send the request and you can basically hire a designer for your Wix website, right? So, I hope this answers, how much does it cost to hire a Wix designer? Again, anywhere from $100 all the way to $700, even $1,000 in some cases. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.